Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a custom automatic speech recognition (ASR) model in TensorFlow involves several steps, including data preparation, model architecture design, training the model, and evaluating its performance. Below is a step-by-step tutorial to help you through the process. Step 1. Install required libraries. Make sure you have TensorFlow and other required libraries installed. You can install them using pip bash. Pip install TensorFlow numpy librosa matplotlib. Step 2. Data preparation. For ASR, you need a dataset that contains audio files and their corresponding transcriptions. A popular dataset is the Common Voice dataset from Mozilla, but for simplicity, we can use a subset of audio files and transcriptions. One download dataset. For this example, let's assume you have a dataset structured as follows: /path/to/data/ audio/ file1.wav, file2.wav, transcripts.txt. To load data, create a function to load audio files and their corresponding transcriptions. Python. Import OS. Import numpy as np. Import librosa. defload_data, audio_dir, transcript_file. Audio_clips equals. Labels equals. With open, transcript_file, r, as f. For line in f. File name, transcription equals line.strip.split, \t. Audio_path equals os.path.join, audio_dir, file name. Audio equals librosa.load, audio_path, sr equals none. Audio_clips.append, audio. Labels.append, transcription. Return audio_clips, labels. Step 3, pre-process the data. You need to pre-process the audio data and convert text to a numerical format. This includes normalizing the audio, creating spectrograms or MFCCs, Mel frequency cepstral coefficients, tokenizing text labels. Python. Def preprocess audio_clips. Convert audio clips to MFCCs. MFCCs equals librosa.feature.mfcc, y equals clip, sr equals 22050, n_mfcc equals 13, .t for clip in audio_clips. Return MFCCs. Def tokenize_labels, labels. Create a set of unique characters. Characters equals sorted, set, .join, labels. char_to_idx equals c, I for I, c in enumerate, characters. idx_to_char equals I, c for I, c in enumerate, characters. Encode labels. Encoded_labels equals char_to_idx c for c in label for label in labels. Return encoded_labels, char_to_idx, idx_to_char. Step 4, create the model. You can create a simple RNN model using Keras, which is part of TensorFlow. Python. Import TensorFlow STF. From TensorFlow.keras import layers, models. Def build_model, input_shape, number_classes. Model equals models.sequential. Model.add, layers.input, shape equals input_shape. Model.add, layers.lstm, 128, return_sequences equals true. Model.add, layers.lstm, 128. Model.add, layers.dense, number_classes, activation equals softmax. Model.compile, loss equals sparse_categorical_cross entropy, optimizer equals atom, metrics equals accuracy. Return model. Step 5, prepare data for training. Pad the sequences of MFCCs and labels to ensure they have the same dimensions. Python. From tensorflow.keras.preprocessing.sequence import pad_sequences. Def prepare_data, MFCCS, labels, max_length. Padded_MFCCS equals pad_sequences, MFCCS, padding equals post, maxilin equals max_length. Padded_labels equals pad_sequences, labels, padding equals post, maxilin equals max_length. Return padded_MFCCS, padded_labels. Step 6, train the model. Train the model using the prepared data. Python. Load data. Audio_clips, labels equals load_data, /path/to/data/audio, /path/to/data/transcripts.txt. MFCCS equals preprocess_audio, audio_clips. Encoded_labels, char_to_idx, idx_to_char equals tokenize_labels, labels. Prepare data. Max_length equals 100. Define max length for padding. Padded_MFCCS, padded_labels equals prepare_data, MFCCS, encoded_labels, max_length. Build model. Input_shape equals, max_length, 13 MFCC features. Number_classes equals len, char_to_idx. Model equals build_model, input_shape, number_classes. Train model. Model.fit, padded_MFCCS, np.array, padded_labels, epochs equals 10, batch_size equals 32. Step 7, evaluate the model. Evaluate the performance of your model on a validation set. Python. Split your data into training and validation sets before training. Use model.evaluate to test the model on the validation set. Step 8, make predictions. You can now use your trained model to make predictions on new audio data. Python. Def predict, model, audio_file, char_to_idx, max_length. Audio, equals librosa.load, audio_file, sr equals none. MFCC equals librosa.feature.mfcc, y equals audio, sr equals 22050, n_mfcc equals 13, .t. MFCC_padded equals pad_sequences, MFCC, padding equals post, maxilin equals max_length. Predictions equals model.predict, MFCC_padded. Predicted_indices equals np.argmax, predictions, axis equals -1. Predicted_text equals .join, idx_to_char I for I in predicted_indices if I in idx_to_char. Return predicted_text. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic framework to build a custom ASR model using TensorFlow. You can experiment with different model architectures, data augmentation techniques, and hyperparameters to improve performance. For production-level applications, consider using more complex models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, combined with RNNs, or even leveraging transfer learning from pre-trained models.